Hey everyone, Dr. Nissa here again. Today is Christmas Eve, so there won't be any regular video today. I'm just here in the Newtown office today, taking care of a few things before I meet up with my family. So I just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas to everyone celebrating today. We will be back at it hard with some great information on Thursday, so stay tuned for those videos. Today I just wanted to kind of show you, since I'm in the Newtown office and I'm always in here working with a bunch of people in here, I can never actually do a video tour of the office. I just wanted to show you the Newtown office for those of you who've never seen the office and may be interested. If not, feel free to click off this video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to you, and we'll see you on Thursday. For anybody that wants to, stick around. I'll just show you quickly. This is the front area. This is our reception area here. Got our products up here, our retail products up here on the shelf, a couple TVs, our reception area here, and then as you come through back into the main area, we do some rehab here. This is mainly an office area with our office manager's desk here, and we've got a couple rooms. Here's one that we do the consultations in. Here's one of them, and before I get to the other one, I'll show you behind the scenes the actual storage area. This is where we store all of our products that we're getting ready to either ship out or that we use here at our office for our programs. Here's the other consultation room here. And then here's where I do most of my work. Actually, I do still do chiropractic work here in the office, so here's where I do most of my work. I do also physicals for people needing those. And then again, back here, just more storage space. So I don't know, I just figured that was a good filler for not having a video up regularly on Tuesday like I normally do. Okay, anyway, happy holidays. Spend time with your family. We'll get back to it on Thursday. The important thing is show your family some love, give them some hugs. No matter how many times you tell your brother, your mother, your father, your sister, your cousins, your grandparents, whoever, no matter how many times you tell them that you love them, it's never enough. So tell them that you love them. Happy holidays. I appreciate all of you out there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on Thursday.